Hello, and I'm so happy to see you in this video, and then I'm so glad to welcome you all. Now that you are here, I'm gonna give you something amazing, something great, something happy news for you. There is a concept called as earn while you learn. Yes, you heard it right. Just by referring four of your friends, you can make a 5,000 money for yourself. You can consider this 5,000 of your earning as a scholarship for the Music 360 program. Almost 80% is completely like a scholarship for you, right? So I want you to take up this challenge and then earn while you also learn. I'm going to show you how you can make 5,000 rupees just by referring four people to the Music 360 community. This is not compulsion, but if you're ready to take up this challenge, if you're happy to share, and if you're got the benefit from Music 360, then I would recommend you to take up this challenge to earn your 5,000 before you get into the market of the music, right? Let me show you how exactly you can earn 5,000 rupees for yourself when you're learning your musical instrument. Let's begin. Just log into your account, go to my account. Once you go to my account, you just need to click on the affiliate dashboard. If you're doing this for the first time, there will be an icon asking for you to activate the affiliate. Just click on that and it will activate. The moment you activate, you will see based on your membership, if you're a silver member, diamond member, gold member, you will see different affiliate links which you can refer. At the moment, I can see two links now. Before you go ahead and then refer, I would request you to do two more steps. One is adding your bank. If you're from India, you need to do two steps. One is adding your bank, and then one more, you need to add your PAN card details. These are the two important things which you need to do. You can just go back to your accounts and then go to the affiliate dashboard. From here, say for example, I want to refer the Learn Piano in 12 Weeks program. So just copy this, and then there, down in the descriptions, we will give you down in the description, we have given a short sample messages which you can pick and then start pasting that messages along with the link. So pick up that message and then do a WhatsApp or an Instagram or in an ASB. Start to share the affiliate links to your friends and family. Say even just copy this and then just put it as a reference and just put it for Music 360 team alone. So what you can do is you can just copy paste. Yeah, so automatically it will come. This is a unique link about you. Whoever purchase from this link, your friends and family, that reference will come to you. That money will come to you. Isn't that easy? All you need to do is start the affiliate, passively refer Music 360 team, and then you can easily make 5,000 within the 30 to 45 days. This is not compulsory, but if you really want to take up this challenge, you can go ahead and refer it. If at all you're taking up this challenge, down in the comments mention I am taking this 5,000 challenge and start referring. I wish you good luck. So this is one of the very easiest and the best method to earn your first 5,000 even while you're learning your music. Right? Write in the comments if you're taking up this challenge. Yes, I am taking up the 5,000 challenge. Thank you so much for being here and then referring us. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.